In this video, there will be a Paycor review and demo. Paycor is a cloud-based human capital management (HCM) platform designed to help businesses streamline their payroll and HR and workforce management processes. It offers a wide range of tools including payroll processing, time tracking, employee scheduling, benefit emissions, and talent management, all with an intuitive dashboard and self-service options. Paycor simplifies day-to-day HR tasks for administrators while giving employees easier access to their pay stubs, tax forms, schedules and personal information. Built for small to medium-sized businesses as well as larger organisations, Paycor ensures compliance with labour, laws and tax regulations by automating key processes such as filing and reporting tax. The platform also includes analytics and reporting tools to help employees make informed workplace decisions. Whether used through the web portal or its mobile app, Paycor delivers a centralised and user-friendly solution for managing your entire employee lifecycle, from onboarding all the way to retirement. Paycor price. Pricing for Paycor varies based on the size of your business and the features that you may require. For small businesses with fewer than less than 50 employees, Paycor offers 4 pricing tiers: Basic, Essential, Core and Complex. The basic plan starts at $99 per month, plus $6 per employee, providing essential payroll and tax services. The essential plan starts at $160 per month, plus $9 per employee, and adds features such as onboarding, time off management, and more. The core plan at $200 per month, plus $12 per employee, includes advanced HR tools such as expensive management and analytics. The complete plan, costing $300 per month, plus $16 per employee, offers comprehensive features including career management, talent development. For businesses with 50 employees to 1,000, pricing is customizable based on specific needs and features. Paycor offers a 14-day free trial for anyone or any business who wants to test the platform before fully committing. It's important to note that the setup fee may apply and additional modules like benefit administration and recruiting may incur extra costs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.